Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can send a bulk email through Mail Meteor. You know the job hunt in the job hunting, you have to if you want to send email to the dozen of recruiters. So it's very hectic to find the email, add the company name, and also the requirement, the job title, and everything. Okay, it's very hectic to send and copy one by one. So in this video, I'm gonna tell you like how you can automate everything using a Mail Meteor. So you don't have to do anything. Just you have to add the column in the Google Sheet, and we have one extension. I'm going to show you which extension you can use to send the bulk email like automatically within 2 minutes. So let's come into our screen. So like here, first I'm going to show you like here I added two column in the Google Sheet. First column I added so many companies name and their email. Okay, like you are doing job hunting. So it's very hectic to send one by one email, right? So you can do just prepare the Excel sheet. Okay, then you can just draft your email like which will be the job title. Okay, and everything you can draft like it. Here you can see dear. Here I added a company because this should be the case sensitive, so these two columns should be matching. Like here you added company, so the same column you have to add here. Okay, and you can add the email template, everything you can add. Okay, and subject also you can add here. So let me copy the subject from this email. Like in this email you copy the subject. Okay, and you added the subject, right? Then you have to come again into the Google Sheet, and you have to click on extension. This is the extension, right? You have to click here, and here you can see the add-on button, right? You can click get add-on here, and you can search Mail Meteor, right? So I already download, so you can search Mail Meteor, Mail Merge for Gmail. So it's a mail merge. Okay, so it will automatically like email to the recruiter from the Google Sheet. It will get the like sheet from the Google, get the email details from the Google Sheet, and it will send one by one. So it's a Mail Meteor, you can download. It's totally free. Like I think the limit 32 email only you can send automatically. But after if you want to send more than 32 email, then you have to upgrade for premium. So here is the Mail Meteor. You can just download. Click here, okay, and you can download Mail Meteor. I already download, so it's showing. So here you can install it and just close it after that. And again, you can click on extension, and here it's Mail Meteor, Mail Merge for Gmail. So click here, and you have to click a new campaign. So that it will open. It will take some time. Let's wait for some time. Okay, it will take some time. So it's loading now, and you can see it is column B is already selected here. So you don't have to select anything. Okay, and it's column B already selected. In column B, you know, right, it's a mail details given in the column B, that's why. And column B name was email. Okay, so it's already selected. So how then what you have to do is you have to copy the subject, add the subject here. Okay, and also you can copy the like template, this template, because I want like from the column A, I want the company name. That's why I added company with the double braces, open and close. I added the company column name. So it will select, get all the details from the company column one by one. And from the column B also, it will get the email details one by one. And you can see, and just you have to, you can also schedule, like if you want to send tomorrow, right? So you can schedule, you can just click on 27th, and you can change the date here as well. Like I want to send 8 a.m. Okay. So just you have to click 8 a.m. and save it. So it will show if you click on send button, right? So it's showing like oh no, like my limit is already exceeded. I for like that's why I'm not able to send, but it will show you like you can send here from here directly if you have a limit. I told you already you can only send 32 email per day. So my limit is exceeded. That's why I'm not able to send. So that's it, guys. And also I want to show you like similar to the like this service Mail Meteor. You can also download some other free service as well. Like here I also downloaded the like YMM. It's also mail merge service. You can also explore this. So that's all about this video. I hope this video will help you and in job hunting, and all the best. And thank you so much. Thanks for watching.